Good afternoon, officer. I'd like to file a non-emergency report.
Good afternoon. I'm here to help. Can you tell me what the situation is?
Yes, last night, while I was walking home from the grocery store, I noticed some suspicious activity near the corner of Maple Street and Fifth Avenue. Nothing urgent happened, but I want to make a report in case it escalates.
I understand. Can you describe what you saw?
Sure. Around 9:15 p.m., I saw two individuals standing near the alley acting suspiciously. They were talking loudly, pacing back and forth, and seemed to be trying to avoid streetlights.
That's good to note. Can you describe the individuals?
Yes, one was a man, about 5'10", wearing a black hoodie and jeans. The other was slightly shorter, wearing a gray jacket and a baseball cap.
Were there any distinguishing features like tattoos or facial hair?
The taller man had a beard and glasses. The shorter one didn't have any noticeable features.
All right. Did you see any vehicles involved?
Yes, there was a silver sedan parked nearby, license plate partially visible, 7FJ32 blank. I couldn't see the last two characters clearly.
That's fine. Did anyone else witness this?
A delivery driver was passing by and glanced in their direction. I think he might have seen them, but I didn't speak to him.
Okay. Did anything happen to you directly?
No, they didn't approach me. I just felt uneasy and thought I should report it.
That was the right thing to do. Filing a non-emergency report helps us track suspicious patterns and respond proactively.
Can I provide my contact information for the report?
Yes, please.
My name is Robert Fields. I live at 210 Oak Street, Springfield. My phone number is 555-876-5432.
Thank you. Did you happen to take any photos or videos?
Should I expect a police response right away?
Since this is a non-emergency report, there won't be an immediate response unless something escalates. The report will be documented and reviewed.
How long does it take to process such reports?
Filing the report takes about 20 to 30 minutes. It's entered into our system immediately for future reference and investigation if necessary.
Perfect. Should I monitor the area myself?
You can stay alert, but avoid confronting suspicious individuals. Document anything unusual and report it promptly.
What if the situation escalates after I file this report?
If you see any immediate threat or criminal activity, call 911. Non-emergency reports are for situations that are not urgent but still important.
Can I add information to the report later if I remember details?
Yes, you can contact us and provide additional observations. We'll update your report with any new information.
Should I notify my neighbors about this too?
Yes, but advise them to stay safe and report directly rather than confront anyone. Community awareness helps prevent incidents.
Are there any preventative measures I can take in my area?
Yes, keep your property well lit, secure doors and windows, and consider installing motion sensor lights or cameras. Encourage neighbors to do the same.
Okay. Can non-emergency reports lead to follow-up patrols?
Yes, if we notice a pattern or repeated suspicious activity, we increase patrols in that area.
That's good. Should I provide descriptions of any individuals, even if I'm not sure they did anything wrong?
Yes, observations of suspicious behavior help build context, but avoid labeling anyone without evidence. Just provide what you see factually.
Got it. Can non-emergency reports help prevent future crimes?
Absolutely. Documenting minor or suspicious activities allows us to act proactively and sometimes prevent crimes before they occur.
Thank you for explaining everything. I feel better knowing my observation will be recorded.
You're welcome, Mr. Fields. Filing non-emergency reports is an important part of community safety. Stay alert and contact us if anything changes.
I will. Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. Goodbye.